How to fix photo and video upload not working on X. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the upload works. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the X app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for X, and install any available updates. If the problem continues, check that X has permission to access your photos and videos. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, X, Permissions, then allow photos and videos, or storage. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Photos, select X, and choose Full Access, or All Photos, depending on your iOS version. Android users can also go to Settings, Apps, X, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files and won't delete your account or posts. If your media still won't upload, make sure the file is in a supported format and within X's upload limits. Large files may need to be compressed or trimmed before uploading. Finally, if none of these steps work, visit the X web version in your browser to check whether the issue is with the app or your account. That's it. Those are the best ways to fix photo and video upload problems on X. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more social media tips, app fixes, and easy tech tutorials.